Alright, so we're back with another Solana video. 2 weeks ago I put out a video called Free Solana for meme coin traders who use Phantom Wallet, but as it turns out, it's for more than just Phantom Wallet, it's for any Solana wallet. So in this video, I'm going to explain why you get a Solana reclaim and why it is not a scam. You can even use a Helium Wallet just like I did in this little clip I recorded on my phone a few days ago. This works because Helium is also on the Solana network, but any Solana wallet you have should work if you've swapped coins or tokens on it prior. If you use a Brave wallet, Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, MetaMask wallet, or even a Trust wallet, you should be eligible for a reclaim. As you can see, I had $17.56 in this account. Now I have $19, and it's as simple as that. The 4 reclaim sites you can use and trust are located in the Phantom Wallet Explorer tab in the bottom right corner, and they are Soul Incinerator. The next one is going to be Claim Your Soul. The third one is going to be Claim Free Soul. And the last one is going to be Rent Refund near the bottom. I have found that Rent Refund is going to be your best bet for a website that actually shows you what accounts you have opened and are vacant. As you can see, I have 3 accounts, 0 tokens in each. We're going to go over to Jupiter Swap now. We're going to swap with a stable coin. I'm going to swap 0.05. We're going to swap it, confirm, then we'll switch them around, max it, then empty out the account. As you can see, when this reloads, we still only have 3 accounts, but when I swap back to Solana, confirm, there we go. Reload this, and now we have 4 accounts with our USDS, which is the one we just did. What we do here is click close all, closing all accounts, do a little transaction. This way we will be getting our deposit back for all 4 accounts, just like that. Even got some gold rewards, even though we don't need it because we don't have an account. So that is for the people who don't trust or understand what is exactly happening and why you're getting Solana back, or people who simply think it's just a scam. You're simply closing vacant accounts that you no longer use and no longer have tokens in. So if you've traded or swapped a lot of coins or tokens, you're gonna get a lot of Solana back. It's as simple as that. If you have any other questions, just leave them down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate all of you.